And let's hear it one more time, ladies and gentlemen, for Nina Marie Van Eel and Lama Tyrell. We welcome to the stage now, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5, home to Alangi Talataina. Lovely to see you this evening. You're looking beautiful this evening. One of the questions I want to ask you about the preparations to the Samoa New Zealand. You know how you have rehearsals every Thursdays and Tuesdays. What were those rehearsals like?
Intense. We all had a good time, like meeting up with each other. The practices were intense, but enjoyable at the same time.
Fantastic. And that means you pass and you can come over to the star door and grab yourself one of the crowds in here, and that'll be your question for this evening. Over the last couple of days, we had the Invest Samoa conference take place here in Auckland. How important do you think this is to Samoa? Let's take the question again. The last couple of days, we had the Invest Samoa conference take place here in Auckland. How important do you think this is to Samoa?
Same with the city. Invest Samoa is very important to us. It promotes our country, what we provide to the outside world. So our textiles, our fisheries, and also our tourism. So Samoa is also known as the Pearl of the Pacific, and the pearl is found in the hearts of our people.
And home is wearing a white tuxedo to symbolize peace and our strong beliefs in Christianity. The Talataina is a representation of the hierarchy within Samoa ties, chiefs. The teardrop at the center of the building represents Samoa's pain and sadness through their fight for independence. The hollow design that is placed on each side of the single Pageant represents Aotearoa, New Zealand. The paths that branch out from the top and bottom of the Pageant represents Samoa. The large Pageant placed at the center of the design symbolizes peace and freedom between Samoa and New Zealand. Shows a single Pageant placed at the center of her backbone, depicting that behind every good Samoan man is a good Samoan woman. And Manukau represents Samoan men and women standing side by side as one Pacific nation. This Kulitasi portrays the story of Samoa's pain and hardship to gain independence through the Treaty of Friendship. You are looking at your contestant number 5.
And now we bring on our lucky last contestant for these 2 categories. She is June Nive Ioelu. Don't be shy. I know. Okay. June, you mentioned in your talent that you came to this pageant to have fun. What sort of fun have you had?
Well, I got to meet my sisters, and I have a beautiful boss. I'm just sitting over here. She's funny. And we have Maisie, who sends us endless texts. So that's the fun I had. And getting out in the community, really.
That's fantastic.
Oh, not to mention Charles in the photos.
Yes. Thank you for mentioning Charles, and not me. You're welcome. Just come over and grab us. No, just kidding. Come down. We're going to come and grab. There's 3 cards left. One of these will be your question. Okay. June. We have many myths and legends of Samoa. How relevant are these Samoan legends in our lives? We have many myths and legends of Samoa. How relevant are these Samoan legends in our lives?
Well, of course it's definitely relevant into our lives because we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for those myths and legends. I mean, our ancestors came from way back in the day, and those myths and legends had been passed down word of mouth to our grandparents, our great-great-grandparents, to my parents. They always tell me about their stories in Samoa, although I don't want to hear it, but it's installed in me. So overall, it is relevant to especially our young youth, especially us Samoans, might say. It has a big part in our lives.
Thank you very much, June. Ladies and gentlemen, June. June, be there. Nice to meet you.
If I buy a tour, ya Samoa. I buy Samoa a tour. June's white puletasi represents Christianity. For June, this represents her Ecclesia e Whakasa. We celebrate 50 years Lamosa becoming e Whakasa in Samoa and 50 years of e Whakasa here in New Zealand. June chose white to symbolize what Christianity means to her: peace, harmony, and first and foremost, God. The red crimson represents the 50 years celebrations of both the Whakasa and the independence of our beloved country of Samoa. The color red also represents the blood spilled by our forefathers who fought wholeheartedly for independence